Hi, let me tell you about Electrica Motors, our concept of a electrical vehicle multi-brand experience center. I'm Premanand, who after about 29 years in the industry with companies like TVS, Tata, Pentafor, IIT Madras, that is ICNSR, IIT Madras, and my last assignment as the Chief Operating Officer of a company called Evron. I started EVCS early this year, and EVCS was to address all challenges, helping customers, helping clients to either technology improve their processes or enhance their go-to-market strategy. We help startups, we help existing companies, and we help manufacturing companies to get into the market by establishing a chain of dealers and distributors. This is how the brand Electrica Motors came into being. Electrica Motors is a division, is a business unit of EVCS. So Electrica Motors offers multiple options to customers through its multi-brand EV experience center. Now, why multi-brand? Why not exclusive brand? Both are possible. We offer both exclusive brand or exclusive dealership or a multi-brand dealership. It's up to you. Choose to work with us for the following reasons. One is that we have analyzed over 70 odd EV companies in India. I won't say manufacturing companies because many of them just do import and assembly or import kits and assembly or import directly and then market it in India. We don't want to work with such companies. We want to work with companies which have a good corporate background and also have at least 50 to 60% up to 85% indigenization, which means localization, and who offer customers good after sales support. So after really studying the industry very hard and identifying the right people who we can work with, we have associated with a few companies, and the products of these companies will be at our dealerships. All Electrica Motors dealerships will have these high quality products that we can offer the customers. Our assurance is that all these products are robust, are reliable, are something that the customers will enjoy using, and we assure you that the after sales support from these companies will be guaranteed. So this is how we have structured our electric multi-brand dealerships or exclusive dealerships, as the case may be. This dealership will offer both electrical vehicles and a micro charging station. Now, as a multi-brand dealer, you can offer multiple categories of vehicles, non-competing. They could be low-speed scooters, where we have associated with a company called Shema Electric. They offer 3 passenger and 1 cargo version of low-speed scooters. Now, what is a low-speed scooter? A low-speed scooter is one that goes up to 25 kilometers per hour, has a range of about 60 to 70 kilometers, and which restriction to use. This is a product that anybody can use, starting from college students to homemakers to office goers. Anybody can use this product. The high-speed scooters that we offer are from a company called Jitendra EV-Tech, and Jitendra EV-Tech JMT 1000HS. JMT 1000HS is a scooter that will go up to 60 kilometers per hour speed and has a range of about 70 kilometers that they can easily travel in one charge. This is for people who are looking at a little more powerful electric scooter. We offer 2 variants of a motorcycle, one from Criden, one motorcycle called Criden, from a company called One Electric. Now, Criden is a regular looking regular two-seater bike, dual seat bike, which has a range of about 110 kilometers and a top speed of about 95. This is manufactured in India using components from the Indian market. That is, the same components used in a IC engine, petrol engine motorcycle, are used in Criden in many cases. And the other model that we have is a sports model with fairings and looks very classy. Sports model with fairings and looks very classy. This is a bike called Evokis, manufactured by a company called ODC. So these are the products that we bring to you on the EV segment. On the mini charging station segment, we have associated with a company called Chargera Tech. They offer micro. So as a dealer, you will be promoting these charging stations and installing them at any location, any host. It can be a restaurant, it can be even a small, kirana shop that can host this. There is a mobile app attached to this particular charging station, and the mobile app, when the user has it, will indicate where the charging station is. It will also help the user has it will indicate where the charging station is. It will also help the host in charging, billing the customer. So this is how we have structured our Electrica Motors multi-brand store. The investment to start these stores are varied. See, what we require is, if you're looking at a multi-brand store, we have feet of space which can host these vehicles, and the investment towards the advance for the building and the interiors will be done by you. The interiors can be done using a contractor that you are in touch with. It will follow certain guidelines in terms of colors and in terms of interiors, but that is for ensuring uniformity in all our stores. All Electrica Motor stores have to look the same. So this is something that we are insisting on. But otherwise, the investment involved depends on you and your connect with the industry. The other investment is your security deposit that you will pay to the manufacturers. Here again, it ranges between 1 and 3 lakhs per manufacturer. So again, the choice is yours. You can use multiple or you can go exclusive. So if you're looking at only one manufacturer, you're looking at only motorcycle, you're looking at only scooter, the choice is yours. Support you in all aspects. The third investment that will come in is your purchase of stocks. That is, you need to have vehicles to supply to the customers. So that is where your rotational investment will come in. You need to buy at least 40 vehicles to start with. The reason for 40 vehicles is that it comes in one container. The cost of transporting the vehicle from the dealer, from the factory to the dealership is high, because if it is not transported in a 40 unit container, the cost of transportation doubles. So we have to ensure that we buy 40 vehicles. So this is the investment that will be incurred by you. So apart from this, I don't see any other greater investment other than marketing and go-to-market strategy that will be required. Now, as far as our support in marketing is concerned, see, we are branding all our stores as Electrica Motor stores, which means that there would be consistency across India. And when you're looking at consistency across India, our marketing activities, both above the line and below the line, are something that will create impact. And more the number of stores, greater will be the marketing activity, and we can take things forward. Now, the question that arises many times when I talk to an inquiry is that, can we start a sub-dealership? Yes, Electrica Motor sub-dealerships can be started. Sub-dealerships are micro units which are between 200 to 4. Same district that our main Electrica Motors branch is situated. For example, you are locating it at the headquarters of a district. Within the district, you can set up any number of sub-dealers. The sub-dealers will help you reach the customers. That is a very important aspect. The access to the customer will be high. And liquidation of your stocks also will be high. For example, if you buy 40 vehicles, you can ask each sub-dealer to buy at least 2 to 3 vehicles. So even if you have about 10 sub-dealers and each are hosting 4 vehicles, your first lot of 40 vehicles can be sold out. Plan. And as and when the bookings come from your sub-dealers, you can buy more stocks in 40 units. Coming back to the after-sales support, we will ensure that your engineers are trained on providing the right service to the customers for the various vehicles. This training will be done by the OEMs at their factory, which you have to send your engineers there, and they will take things forward. So this is how we are structured. Now the choice is yours. You can start either an exclusive dealership for any one manufacturers, or you can look at a multi-brand store. So we will ensure that there will be no compete. For example, if you are offering a exclusive dealership at one location, then my multi-brand store will not have the same product and the same company in the same location. So this is something that we can assure you, and we look at ensuring that there is equitable opportunity for all. As far as the process is concerned, it's very simple. You just need to fill in an application form, and once you fill in an application form, you just need to we will send it to the respective OEMs. Get the approval done by them, and once the approval is done, we'll enter into an agreement. You can place the order for the first consignment and start the process. The question that comes up to me many times is that what would happen if I open a multi-brand store? Will other products that EVCS or Electrica Motors is getting involved in come automatically to the store? Yes, the same terms and conditions apply. And if we are coming up with a non-competing product, then that product can be offered at your store in the future, or with any other options that we are building up. So this is basically what our operations are all about. The total investment that you are looking for is again in your hands. Apart from your building and the interiors and the marketing that you're going to do, the signages, etc., the investment is on your stocks. Now, depending on your investment budget, you can decide to go for a multi-brand or an exclusive store. So the choice is yours, and based on that, we can build it into a good initiative. From EVCS side, we can assure you all our support, all our guidance, and ensure that we work together to ensure that we are mutually profitable, because we believe that our dealers or our dealerships are not just dealerships, but they are our partners, because we believe that without you we cannot grow, and your contribution to our growth is very, very important, and this is understood by our manufacturers too. So their support to you in terms of operations and in terms of after sales warranty, etc., to the customer is 100% ensured, and we will be there for you in all aspects. This is something that I can assure you. I think that's about what I need to convey to you regarding our dealership. I'm sorry to have sent you this voice clip instead of calling and speaking to you, but we have over 600 plus inquiries over the last week or so, and we've been struggling to speak to everybody. There have been calls from inquiries who we have been unable to attend because of the number of inquiries that were coming in, and I thought I could just send you this message so that we can at least have an idea of what we are thinking of doing, so that the next step you can connect with us and we can take it forward. Okay. So if you are interested, if you're looking at taking our association forward, I think through the WhatsApp we would have shared with you all our companies and the products that we are offering and the dealership proposal. If you have not received it, please ask for proposal by sending a WhatsApp message to 73959 Okay, now if you are interested in taking this forward, just send a message saying application form to 73959